Kani kadai ke Patisi TV. Bat pidang pet ya ka kubor baman kasngi belawan rasyapi da ka rupa. Bapentingan bat penbha.
Haka khatsan tarik mentau nai weng arja khatpra. Kasinat College Shillong. Kalayo ban play ke yeng bat ki kamera batmai na ke benta ki samla pule ki bapule ye ka master degree haka subject political science haka ni ka college. Ya kani ke yeng pelong kelas batmai la play pajba da menteri rang ba ka jala u Konrad ke sangma ringkat kajiran lang u menteri sarkar berikmi ye ketnat ki kam korbari ke jala u James P ke sangma bat uba sngau bahalang dhar. Habakran haka ni ke jelang na kalyang u menteri rang ba ka jala ulapan pau ye jing sungu ye ka Sinat College ye ka jing syakri jongka ye ki samla pule bat ulapan paru pak Sinat College kadai ka college ka ba ukpa jong u upurno sangma ujukan mau ye ya ka ni ka college na ka posya ka por bat ma uru kum ukhon jong u udon ye ka ni ka ju ka jing sngo u Konrad ke sangma ulapan paru ka jing sungu ye ka ni ka college ka bala khot lang ye kini ki arngot ki sipara ban ye dan bentalang ha ka ni ka sngi kraw jong ka ni ka college.
We will be able to move forward in future to come. Honorable Young and Grand Leadership Sri Konrad K. Sangma, he is a man of principle. He is a man of confidence in every help supported to our beloved Colorado State. I know, in spite of his busy schedule work, he still spares his valuable time to be here with us today. Sir, thank you so much for you. I know numerous tension on his politicians, but what to do, we are here to support our beloved people of the state. Hopefully, this new building, I think, new hope, new idea, new generation will move forward. It's very sure. I'm very, very happy to say for the last few years, when we are moving all over India especially, our youth really promote like before. Even though we go to hospital, there is a student from Shillong, there is from Mizo, Nagaland. No, it's really nowadays we are united and are moving for everything. Even though you go to 5-star hotel, all young and clever, intelligent bachelor they are there. Now nowadays, especially Shillong, now we become tourism hubs because of you. I think with one mind, with one responsibility, with collective responsibility, we'll be able to move forward. Especially, Shillong now is like us education hub. Yes, when we are in Asmallah people, we always think that Shillong is nothing. I'm telling you, Shillong is a great area. It's a great place. Even in few days, I sit with one of my friends who are really involved with tourism. I asked him jokingly, how is tourism flow in Shillong? And he replied only one word. He told me, sir, I'm telling you, minimum 6,700 vehicles every is moving from Assam to Warsaw just because our city's beauty. And hopefully we are improving education. I think we'll be able to do much better in a days to come.
Thank God for this wonderful day. It's a beautiful morning and a beautiful moment that we all are here today to really witness something that is really something important, I think I should say. And as my elder brother Mr. James Sangma and my colleague in the cabinet has mentioned, that this really is a very, very important moment for us, not just as an individual or as in fact, as a politician, but as a son. And I think it gives us a real sense of pride to be here today, to be able to inaugurate this particular building. I was very happy and touched by the opening statements that were made by Dr. Wanswit, and all the points he mentioned were very right, because this really has been a very long journey, almost 13 years of association now, and so many things have happened. And I think I have visited Synod College here, I don't even remember how many times, I can't even count. I think you must have seen me so many times out here, sometimes as a finance minister, sometimes as an opposition leader, sometimes as a common person who lost an election, then again as a member of parliament, now today as a chief minister of the state. But I can tell you, every time I've come here and every time I'm associated with Synod College, it has never been based on the position that I had. It's really been a relationship as a family that we've maintained. And it really today also, it gives us a great sense of pride to be here. And it's not because we are here in the government or as chief minister, but again to be back here and associated and linked with all of you, especially with the team, the faculty, the principal, everybody. It's really like a family, and we always feel at home when we come here. And therefore whenever we come, we never come with any kind of sense of protocol or anything like that. And whenever I'm told that there's a program in Synod College, I never say no. So that's the kind of relationship we've had. I was listening to the song that the MA students were singing, and I want to mention to all of you that it happened to be one of the favorite songs of our late father, Mr. P.S. Sangma. So he used to really love this song, and in fact, the person who composed this particular song, it was in consultation with him, and the lyrics also were in fact added and changed by late P.S. Sangma. So this song is actually very meaningful, even from that point of view that the lyrics actually were, to some extent, were edited and written by him. And the music also was something that he was involved in it. So it's really heartening to see and hear the song, heartening to hear the speech of our principal, and obviously we're going to come to the final part, which is the inauguration of the building. But having said that, I must thank Dr. Wanswit for calling us here and really remembering late P.S. Sangma and allowing us to be part of the history, you can say, of this building, where at least our name will be there. I know it will be the most appropriate would have been if the late Mr. P.S. Sangma himself had been here, and it would have been appropriate if he had done this. But nonetheless, we are honored to have this opportunity to inaugurate this building. We have just unveiled the flag here, and I would like to read what is written on it. Synod College, Shillong, Postgraduate Building number 2, inaugurated by Conrad Sangma, Chief Minister of Meghalaya, on the 15th of November 2018, in the presence of Shri James Sangma, Home Minister, Shri Samalan Dhar, Minister of Commerce Department, Reverend Majao, President GB, Dr. D. War Smith, Principal, Dr. D. War, Vice Principal, Dr. S. Shiva, Vice Principal. And now I know why Shri D. War gave the right to me. So I can read out his name also. So with this, I unveil the flag and I dedicate this building to all our students and to the state. Thank you so much.